Alright, here we go. Let's rock on functions quiz 1. Looks like there's a bunch of skills to level up on. Boom, first one. Super easy. Just finding the outputs for the inputs for F line and G line. So we got 10 times the output for 7. So I go to 7 for X. Boom. I'm going to the F line, which is right here. Boom. I'm going to the Y value, which is -1. So I'm replacing f of 7 with -1 plus 9 times, and now I'm replacing g of -1 with a value. So I go to -1 for x, which is right here. Boom. This time I'm going to the G line, which is right here. Boom. And the output is +1. I let Desmos do the rest, and that expression evaluates to -1. Toughest question on the quiz for sure. Alright, here, super easy. I just type it in. Maybe I'll be able to copy and paste it. Looks like copy and paste works. And k of -7, -89. Super easy. Here it says for given input A value, the function has outputs a value B to satisfy the equation. So it's just saying A is the input, B is the output. Here it's saying solve for the output because f of A is B. So I want to solve this equation for B. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm just typing it in so we can see the steps. So the first step here is I want to get the B's on the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4B minus 4B. From that side, I'm going to minus 4B from this side. On this side, -4B and 4B eliminate. They're gone. And 6 minus 4B is 2. So I got -3A plus 2B equals A. And I want to get rid of this A term, -3A. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3A, boom. I'm going to add to the other side, boom. On this side, they eliminate to 0. So we're just left with a positive 2B. Here we got A and 3A, that's 1 plus 3, it's 4. So we got 2B equals 4A. And last step is to get rid of the 2. It's being multiplied, so I got to divide. I divide this side by 2. I divide this side by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. We're left with just B. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we got B equals 2A. F of A represents B. Okay, it says given the input -5, find the output. So I go to -5. Which is right here, boom, for X. The output is where the line is, boom, and the Y value at that point is 7. What is the input value for the output value -2? So -2 is the output, which means it's the Y value. I go to -2 for Y, boom. Then I go to where the line is, boom. And I go up to the X, -9. So the input is -9 for the output, -2. This is backwards. Here, it's giving us the output, and we got to find the X value. So let's go ahead and reset our Desmos. We want to type in the function first. And we know that the output is 19, so we know the output, the Y value is 19. Helps us create this line that we can use to find what the input is. So when the output's 19, the input is -5. And that's how you do it.